Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to write the letter V. Okay, so the letter V is pretty simple. That's basically one curve here and up here. But you can connect it with the other letters using one simple knot. I really like to put it a little bit higher than the line height, or you can make it even inside the line height, or you can not connect the letter and make the second stroke a little bit higher than the first one. Okay, let's try it with a brush pen now. So one curved stroke here and here. I made the last one. Let's make just the first one. Okay, so you see I use just basically one motion, going down and then up. Sometimes we can add a little bit of volume in here and check so the letter wouldn't be too wide, because it can sometimes resemble U. Okay, and let's try the one with a knot up top. So you see here the curve is a little bit thinner because we have a knot here and it kind of balances out. And let's make a knot inside. Okay, yes, something like this. Let's try it in a word now. We will use new brush pen for this one, and we'll start with the word vibe. Going down, up, connecting the eye. B, connect it in the lower part. And now add a dot of the eye. Yes, something like this. Okay, let's try it now with the word very, or the word view, I guess. Fit us better. We will use this pen here. This one will be straight style, so going a little bit curved but more or less straight, going up. Connector in here, eye, E, and basically the same stuff for W as for V here, and knot up top. And we will dot it with this one. Yes, that looks awesome. So you see what I did here is I made the same strokes for V and for W with the same connector here. It really balances out the whole composition here. And when vectorizing, you can even just copy the strokes and it will look nice. Okay, let's try something new with the word very. For this one I will need a little bit help from my pencil here, and we will try to use this variant, so where we are not actually connected it. Yeah, the word is very. Okay, and now we're using this marker and first just marking out where our letter is actually, and we will make some volume a little bit later. Okay. Now we can add a little bit here. Here, this one most of the time remains pretty thin at the top. Add some volume here as well. Okay, that looks nice. And that's how you write the letter V.